So I have just built a simple agent, a grammar fixer agent using open router API key. This agent will auto fix our grammar mistakes. So let's test it. I wrote some dummy essay. So now I have paste and cleaned. So now it will give us the right version. You can so what we sent today technology. You can see the writing of technology, the spelling of technology, and then has become there is no right spelling of become, and many other mistakes are in there in the essay. Now you can see it give us a bright and polish essay. Now we have to build this simple agent step by step. This is a simple agent. You will say, what are you doing, Kazi? You are making this type of agent. But listen to me. This agent is all simple, I know, but in this agent I will teach you how you can connect your open router API key, and how you can build by an AI automation agent using open router API key. So first, you create a workflow, and now I am in workflow canvas. So first I give the name grammar fixer agent. Now it is safe, and then I will add my trigger. So trigger will be chat, because we will send essay. Now we are building, but further we will go more trigger on form submission. In next video I will show you on form submission how you can build your automation using form submission. So now we have to add on chat trigger. So now I test it. So what it responds us. I also We also checked our previous video. It give us the same response we sent it. But now first I click on save. We will add AI agent note, because we prompt and we explain the AI agent, so, to remove all the mistakes and make a polished every thing. But when users send whenever user send your essay or anything, blog or script, so you have to give them a right and without mistake blog or grammar. So we add AI agent note. So I have added my AI agent note. So today I will also show you how you can connect your open router API key, but I will also tell you two mistakes. So important point. So stay with me. So now we have to connect our open router account. So I will click on chat model and I will search open router. So now you can see now you can see I have one account, but for you I will connect one more account. So click on new credential, same as chat gpt open AI. There you need only API key. So what you have to do, go to Google and search open router. Then you will come here, open router a account, open router AI dot. So first you will see there is a option sign up and login. So sign up with your email sign up with your email, then go to API keys section. So best part is this, open router give you some free credits, but if you and the best part thing of open router is So when you connect your OpenAI account, so you have limited options, you limited models options, you have limited options, and you only connect OpenAI models. But in Open Router you can select multiple, you can test multiple tools, because there is I think all company, you can see all company models, GPT, Cloud, Gemini, and DeepSeek, and any other. So if you satisfy, so you can buy credits, add your credit. But now I have no credit, so for you I only use OpenAI API key, but because I have better experience with OpenAI, so you can select anything, anyone. So go to keys and create API key. Give your API key name like test 2, and then create on create, then copy and paste on your or API key section, then click on save. So now we have connected our Open Router API key, and you can use for future or an automation AI. So I have to save, and also you can select models, but this time we have free, we are using free credits, so I will stay with default agent. So now we will add memory. Also today we will add only simple memory, because we are going step by step. So I have we have added our memory. So now we have to give the system prompt, or we have to tell the AI agent who is he, and what work it do. So I will click on add option and click on system message. So I wrote my system message here. You can go for ChatGPT and say I am building an grammar fixer agent, so please write a system prompt for my AI agent. So I will explain, like either here I explain you are an AI grammar correction agent created by Gazi Automation Services, and your responsibility this. So now I added my chat trigger, then AI agent node, and then LLM and simple memory. So this time, so I check, we check our agent what it is giving. So I again send our previous message. So see it save our data to simple memory, and then go to LLM and generate a response, and again it saves the agent response into memory. So now you can see the previous what we sent and what he give us. So now we have completed our agent. So what as you I have to tell you some things, like if you add your Open Router and you are building my system, and you say when I will face an error, and because sometime agent take more time to generate the response or face any error. So we have to set some settings and say when you fail, so try how 2 times or 3 times, and wait for these times. So how we can do this? Go to AI agent and create, select on setting, click on setting, and then you can see retry on fail. So on this option, and you can see max tries, how many tries you want to AI agent and that try in every fail. So now I set 5 and wait, how many times, how many milliseconds you want for to wait error. So I select 100,000 and now you on error. So when you will choose to return fail, stop workflow will is- stop and continue or anything you can select. So now we have completed and I have told you something. So now thank you for watching. In next videos we will go more in depth of N10. So thank you.